lungsod ng Davao. Ang Mintal Comprehensive High School ay isang paaralan na may mga kabataang hindi lang nangangarap para sa sarili, kundi para sa bawat estudyante gustong marinig, gustong gabayan at gustong umangat. Sila ang mga kabataan sa likod ng tagumpay ng bawat programa. Hindi nakaporma pero laging naroroon. Ang kanilang liderato hindi sigaw, kundi alon, tahimik pero malakas ang tama. Sa SSLG ng Mintal Comprehensive High School, natutunan na ang tunay na leader ay hindi palaging bida. Minsan, sila ang nagtutulak sa iba para maging bida.
I'm very proud of you and I'm very happy na narating niyo ito because yung coordination niyo, your cooperation niyo with our barangay in terms of the problems that we experience now, which is one, the depression among young people. Pangalawa, the solid waste management. You know, for a long time, we've been having problems with the solid waste sa Comprehensive High School. But when I asked you for your help, 2 weeks after that, you came back and then shared with us how you can help with our solid waste problem.
I believe that the MCHS SSLG deserves the award due to two main reasons. The MCHS SSLG has a monitoring and evaluation as well as a comprehensive which helps disseminate information more fast and efficient to the students of the school. Because SSLG collaborates with the barangay's organization which helps the overall community.
Through their vision, compassion, and impact, the SSLG of Mintal Comprehensive High School exemplifies what it means to be a servant leaders. And I would say that they are very, very much deserving to the Kagawad Filipino National Award, not only because of what they do, but because of the hope, the joy, and the healing they bring to the hearts of the people they serve. I know and I believe that they were going to say this, that para ito sa kabataan, para ito sa kalikasan, at para ito sa inang bayan, lagit-lagit pa rin sila.
Iisa lang ang sagot nila. Oo, sila ang nararapat. Hindi man namin hiniling ang parangal, alam namin na nararapat pa rin kaming igalang. Ito ang SSLG ng Mintal Comprehensive High School, tahimik man sa pangalan, dakila sa gawa.
Basta kompre!